thing is set comprehension returns a set with unique values. So let's consider we have a set of names here. So I'll take names and let's say we have Ram again. So now I want this set of names to be converted into lowercase letters. I can make use of for loop as well here, but now let's see how we can make use of set comprehension here. So let's take a new variable as new underscore names. So this variable is to store all the names in the lowercase. So let's write I dot lower for I in names. Now let's print this. Print, let's say new names are comma new underscore names. Let's run this and check the output first. So here you can see that set of new names we have got, that is Ram, Sham and Rohit. We had 4 names in our initial set. Let's go back to code and check. So here we had 4 names, but the name Ram was duplicated. So what is the purpose of set? Set always returns unique elements. That's why it is deleting the duplicate elements and returning only one name, that is Ram. I hope you are clear now, and I hope you are now able to distinguish between list comprehension and set comprehension. If we used here list comprehension, it would have written all the 4 names, but with set comprehension it is returning only 3 names because it is thinking Ram has again duplicated element of set. So now, can we make use of if conditions or conditional statements in this set comprehension? Yes, of course we can do that. So let's say not equal to, let's say Sham. Now let us print this names. New names are new names. So now let's run. So what should be our output? Our output should be Ram and Rohit, excluding Ram and Sham, because Ram is appearing here twice. So let's run this. So here you can see that we have got new set of names Ram and Rohit. So most of you might be having a question. When set comprehension does the same work as list comprehension, what is the use of this? So as I already said, it deletes the duplicates elements. So if you want to delete any duplicate elements in the list, in the set, you can make use of set comprehension. And with sets, lookup is faster. So these are the advantages of going to set comprehension.
Subscribe to Go Get My Guru channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive regular updates.